Hi friends, as always I'm very excited to see you here. If you are meeting for the first time, I'm Shankar Pandey and this is the Dr. ESP channel. I host videos on media, communication and research on this channel. To stay updated with the latest on this channel, I urge you to consider subscribing to the channel. There are different applications for citation and reference management. We can use Microsoft Word for example, and I've done a video on Zotero for citation and reference management. There are many advantages of using Google Docs for citation. So let's see Google Docs for citation in today's video. There are two different ways in which we can add citation sources in Google Docs. We can add it automatically using ISBN numbers or through websites, and we can do it manually as well. So if we type docs.google.com in the search bar and we log in with our Gmail account, this kind of an interface will come up. So let's begin with a blank Google document. We can set the page setup. For example, we can put it as A4 here. Well, so this is the paper. Now if we go to tools, there is this option of citations. So we click onto citations and this is what we get on the right side of the bar here. So we can decide to use either of these three options, MLA, APA or Chicago. So let's use APA for example. We'll have to begin with a citation source. So here, for example, if I have to choose a book, it provides me with three options, whether it's a print book, whether it's from a website or whether it's from an online database. Let's talk about a book which is there on a website. So this is the book and I have to just know its ISBN number. So this is the ISBN number of the book. I copy the ISBN, or if I have a physical copy I can use that as well. So back here I just type in the ISBN number and click search. So it has information about all the books with ISBN numbers here. So it is automatically added here. It's telling me the name of the book, it's telling me the publisher, published year. We can continue, just add citation source, and this has been added here. So we've added one citation source here. The moment we add it here, we can see that there are two options here. I can either edit or there's a cite option here as well, and that is for inserting in-text citation. If this is what I think the citation is about, I just need to come back here, hover over here and click cite. This thing will be added here, Hughes and McWhale, and it also suggests that whether I require any page number or what. So if we are citing any particular page number, then we just need to click here and provide page number. For example, say for example it's page 55. So here we go, add it again. So if it's a book section, whether we are taking it from a website or print or online database, we just need to provide an ISBN number, and most books, at the back there will be ISBN number. So if you're having a physical copy, you can do that as well, and we get ahead with that. Similarly, I can do that for websites as well. So for websites, I'll just have to write down the URL. For example, if the URL is known to me, I just type in the URL, I search, it is telling me that the name of the website, the title of the particular web page, it's missing here. So because I've just typed in there, I can continue and I can write down the name of the author. I can write, for in this case it's my name, the title, the day or the year it was published. If I just write in the name of the author here, and I write down the name of the title, media, and it was published in 2021. I just add the citation source. So the second one has been cited here as well. And for example, if I want to insert a citation here inside the text, I just need to go there, click cite here, and it will be cited here in an APA style. I can add citation sources for journal articles also, and for journal articles I'll have to write down the entire recommended fields. So the recommended fields are there with these star marks. So I'll have to write down the name of the author, the article title, the journal title, the pages, the published year, and URL, for example, if it is available. If this is the article that I have, I can just copy this URL. I go back. I'll have to write down the name of the author, copy the names of the authors from there, or I might have to just write it down. I'll have to write down the article title as well. So this is the title. The journal name. This is the journal name. The volume, I can see the volume here is 1 and 1. The first volume, first issue. So volume is 1, the issue is 1. What are the pages? I can see the pages are 26 to 40. Put in the pages here as well, 26 to 40. That's all. The moment I save it, this thing has been saved here. You can see that I haven't put in the date there, so that is also important. I can go back, edit, and write down the published year, because that is a recommended field, 2020. So just let me write down 2020 here. So here now we have the journal article here as a citation source, and as always I know how to cite it over here. I can also use citation sources to get in a newspaper article, and for newspaper article I just need to provide the URL. So for example, this is the news there, India overtakes UK to become 5th largest economy in the world. I just copy it here, I put this URL here, I click search. It is telling me what this article is all about. It is telling the article title, the newspaper title, the URL, etc. The contributors are missing, so we'll have to add it here. So I'll just put in continue here, and here we know the contributor is a PTI. It's a corporate organization. So here I'll have to click onto this corporation or organization and simply write PTI, and we can see here down there it is already telling me that which day it was accessed, so we do not have to write these things. As you all might know that when we are citing websites, you have to write down the day when it was accessed. So just add citation source, and we can see that it has been added here. And if we have to add this as an Intext citation somewhere, this is how I do. I just go in here, I hover here, it tells me whether I want to cite it, I cite it, and here it is. It has come out as an Intext citation in the APS style. Another very important thing that we can do with Google Docs is using this explore button. So if I click onto this explore button here, where I just want to find out about that particular thing, so it is telling me whether it is about the set-top box or whether it is about the over-the-top media service. So I just click onto this, and if I want to use any of these things as a footnote, so I just need to click onto this and it will be cited as a footnote. I just need to click here, and for example, if I want to cite a footnote here, I just need to cite here, and as we can see that it has come out as a, I can see one here, and the footnote has been added here. But this footnote works only for websites or for things which exist on the web. Once we are through with everything, and if we want to insert all the references that we are having here, we'll again go back to tools, citations, just insert references. All the things that we have referred to so far, for example, all these 4 things that we have referred to in this particular document will be added as references here. So it's a very, very simple and an easy way of not only adding citation sources, but adding in-text citations and adding references. Thanks for staying along, friends. As always, it has been a delight having you here. I'll be back with another video very soon. Till then, have a great time.